We use the principle offline to open up the shot for the camera as well as for the safety for the performers to avoid head collisions. Open up for camera view. As both partners face each other, they are connected by an imaginary straight line that runs between them and the direction of their movements. They are online. If the camera is also placed along this line, the farther performer is invisible. A sidestep to the outside of your partner places you offline. Now, the farther performer is visible on camera. Safety for the performers. During an attack and its reaction, if both performers lean forward, they risk crashing their heads together. When you take a sidestep to the outside of your partner, you are offline. This allows for enough space between both heads.